Want to know how to embed a TikTok video on your website or landing page? It's super easy, takes less than 5 minutes. Let's walk through it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the Berdu channel so you don't miss out on more helpful tutorials. Hit the like button below and turn on notifications. Alright, from your Berdu website dashboard, go to Layout. Then choose which page you want to embed your TikTok video on. It can be your homepage or any custom pages. For this example, I'll add the video to the homepage, so click on Edit Layout. By the way, if you want to learn how to create a landing page like this from scratch, we've already made a full tutorial for that. Check out the link in the description below. Now we're going to add a new section. Search for the Video section. Click Done first, then drag the section up so it sits right below the Image Slide section. Then click on the setting icon. In the Video URL field, paste your TikTok video link. How do you get that link? Just open the TikTok video you want to embed. If you're on a computer, click the Copy Link button. If you're on mobile, tap the Share icon, then choose Copy Link. Once you've copied the link, paste it into the Video URL field in the editor. Your TikTok video will instantly appear here. Since TikTok videos are usually vertical, make sure to change the ratio to 9:16 or another portrait ratio that matches the original. You can also adjust the width as needed. Now, you might notice there are some options like Hide Controls, Autoplay, Muted, and Loop. But just a heads up, these settings don't apply to TikTok videos. They only work for YouTube embeds, which we've explained in another video, linked in the description below. For TikTok, when a visitor opens your page, the video will autoplay by default in mute mode. Let's clean it up a bit. For example, I'll add some padding to this container. Looks good now, right? Click Save and let's preview the page. Boom! Your TikTok video auto plays in mute as soon as the page loads. If visitors want to hear the sound, they can simply tap the unmute icon. That's it! Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Like this video, leave a comment below if you have questions, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorials. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more helpful content. See you next time!